So what is mental health? Let's see what our school community thinks.
Do you know what mental health is? I don't know. Well, thanks for asking. You know what mental health is?
Yes, I know about this one. Is very, very important for us in the school. It always protect you and our teachers. And when you're playing outside, you have to protect the health.
Hi!
What do you think World Mental Health means to you?
Okay, that's a good question. World Mental Health to me means taking care of your mind as well as your body and taking time to relax and do the things that you enjoy to make you happy.
Thank you.
What do you think that mental health is, Mr. Tom?
Oh, that's a very good question, Mohammed. Well, in PE, as we know, it's very important to take care of our body and our physical health, but it's also very important to take care of our mental health.
Do you know what mental health is?
I do know what mental health is. It's, our bodies, we need to be active, but our minds also need to be active and eat healthy. Like we put healthy food in our bodies to stay healthy, we need to keep our minds healthy too.
Just as we take care of our physical health by exercising and eating healthy, we also have to take care of our mental health. All experience wide range and feelings and emotions. Some can be positive and negative. It's not good to push away our negative feelings.
We can use coping strategies to help us deal with them. Let's take a look at all the big emotions that we all experience. Sometimes I feel frightened, like when I saw a spider in my room. Sometimes I feel envious when my siblings get something and I don't.
Sometimes I feel excited when I run super fast.
Sometimes I feel low when I sit by myself. Sometimes I feel irritated like when my sister screams.
Sometimes I feel nervous like when exam starts. Sometimes I feel grateful when someone buys me something. Sometimes I feel sad when my brother cries.
What do we all have?
Feelings! It's not just kids who feel these emotions, adults feel them too. Have you ever felt frightened?
Hi Ethan, how are you? Yeah, I felt frightened lots of times, especially if I ever see a spider in the classroom or out in the play area. I get a little fright, and to calm myself down, I just focus on my breathing for a couple of seconds, and then I feel calm, and then I can go and deal with the situation. I can get the spider and send him back to his home.
I'm scared. Have you ever felt jealous about something?
Oh yes, it's not good to feel jealous about things, but yes, I have felt jealous about things before.
Can you tell me about a time when you felt like that?
Actually had quite a few times where I felt jealous and I had to learn my lessons from feeling jealous. One time was when friends and ours went on the most amazing holiday to the Maldives Islands.
What did you do to help yourself?
Well, I had to really make myself think more positively. I had to sit down and make a list of all the things I was grateful for and what fun things I could do at home that would make me enjoy my holiday while staying at home, instead of focusing on all the bad things that were making me feel jealous about the family that had travelled away.
Hi, Miss Sarah.
Hi.
Have you ever felt excited?
Yeah, I've definitely felt excited before.
Can you tell me about the time when you felt it?
I always feel so excited coming up to my birthday.
Yeah. So excitement?
I think when you're excited, I'm so happy and I just want to jump up and down.
Hi, Miss Lana. Have you ever ever been sad?
Yeah, there has definitely been times where I have felt sad before.
Can you tell me about a time when you felt sad?
Sometimes I feel sad if I don't score well in my exams, or if I fight with my friends or my family.
And what do you do to make you feel better?
I would try to do the right thing, so I would go and I would apologise, or I'd pick myself up when I'm feeling down. I would do some things to cheer me up, like maybe go for a walk or listen to some music.
Hi, Mr. Tom.
Hello.
Have you ever felt nervous?
Yes, I've felt nervous a few times.
Can you tell me about one of the times that you felt nervous?
Yeah, I remember the last time I felt really nervous was the first time I had my first PCR test for COVID. I remember I felt nervous for that.
What did you do to help yourself?
I asked some friends how it was, and just before I went in, I took some deep breaths and just told myself that it was going to be fine. So, and then I did it, it was perfect. It was okay.
Hi, Miss Molly.
Hi, Ethan.
Have you ever felt irritated?
Yes, I have felt irritated. I feel very irritated when I'm driving or when I'm in the car with someone and drivers cut in front, or sometimes when I'm at the traffic lights and they take so long. It really irritates me.
What did you do to help yourself?
To help myself, I have to breathe in and count to 10 before I lose the plot and go crazy. So I have to breathe in and count to 10 in my head, or else I'll get very, very angry, which I shouldn't. But I try to keep it inside. You're welcome. Thank you, Ethan.
Felt grateful?
There has been a time, and many times, that I have felt grateful. Would you like me to tell you some of those times?
Yes.
Grateful that my family is safe and healthy, especially during this pandemic. Grateful that I'm working in a school that I love and being surrounded by students that are so friendly and happy. Grateful for many, many things, and living in a country that I feel safe in.
We can all take little steps to help our mental health, like writing it down, drawing, dancing, or watching a TV show.
My name is Janmir, and when I'm frightened, I like to hide in my blanket.
Hello, my name is Kanaka, and when I feel happy, I cuddle my cat.
Oh.
Hello, my name is Sebastian. Sometimes when I feel anxious, I play on my iPad by myself. My name is Yasmin, and this is my happy place because it makes me calm and relaxed. I am Michael, and how I be frightened, I always jump in my bed and hide under my bedding. Like this.
Hi, my name is Michael. When I'm sad, I like to read to cheer me up.
My name is Jasmine, and when I'm frightened, I go hide under the cover. Hi, my name is Rafaida, and when I feel jealous, I get calm and I think positive. Hi, my name is Ethan. I feel frightened in the dark. When I feel frightened, I turn on the corridor light. I run. I jump onto the bed and pull the blanket over me. Hi, my name is Veda, and when I feel anxious, I eat a biscuit. Hello, my name is Daniela. This is my room. This is where I go when I'm sad, and sometimes when I'm sad, I like to go on bed and play with my toys. Hi, my name is Zach, and when I feel sad, I like to jump on the bed. Or lay down on my bed.
My name is Ryan, and when I feel anxious, I hide under the table. Hello, my name is Jason, and this is my happy place.
Sometimes we can have big feelings and they don't go away.
Big feelings can affect our mental health and stop us getting on with our lives.
They can change how we feel, how we behave, how we see the world, and how we get on with other people. Sometimes it's better to talk if you have these feelings.
You might not know how to say what you're feeling. These phrases might help. Can I talk to you? I've been having a really hard time lately.
I'm really struggling with my thoughts. Can you please help me?
Sometimes our problems are too big to deal with. Other people have ideas and experience.
Talking about your problems will not magic your problems away, but then it will help to start change things. And it is not good to feel on your own.
Mental health is all about your mind. We all have positive and negative emotions. Mental health is about being able to enjoy your positive feelings and knowing how to deal with the negative ones.
It's about knowing the difference between normal negative feelings that are part of daily life and those which has a serious negative effect on your life.
We can all take steps to protect and improve our mental health.
Figure out what works best for you and your feelings.
Just remember, you're never alone.
So